All humans and plants depend on one function in nature to live. If we didn't have this function, many organisms wouldn't be alive today, including us. This function is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants and bacteria use sunlight to produce glucose, which cellular respiration then produces ATP. There are two types of photosynthesis, oxygenic and anoxygenic. Oxygenic photosynthesis can be expressed as 6H2O plus 6CO2, which results in 1 glucose molecule plus 6O2. This acts as a counterbalance to respiration because it takes in the carbon dioxide produced from organisms and releases oxygen. Anoxygenic photosynthesis can be expressed as CO2 plus 2H2A, which results in CH2O plus 2A plus H2O. Anoxygenic photosynthesis uses electron donors instead of water. In the equation, H2A is a possible electron donor where A is the variable. Almost all plants have leaves. The leaves are the place where the compounds enter and leave the plant. Water enters through the roots and then travels to the leaves in pathways called xylem. Leaves also have tiny openings with two guard cells at each opening called the stoma. The stoma is where the carbon dioxide enters the organisms and leaves as oxygen. There are many components that are essential in photosynthesis. First of all, there are pigments, molecules that make the color on plants and trap sunlight. There are chlorophylls, carotenoids, and phycobilins. Chlorophylls are green-colored pigments and they can trap blue and red light. Carotenoids are red, orange, or yellow-colored pigments and they can trap green and blue light. Phycobilins are red and blue-colored pigments. Second, there are plastids. Plastids are found in the cytoplasm and have pigments in them, and they can store nutrients. Leucoplasts store fats, chromoplasts have carotenoids in them, and chloroplasts have chlorophyll in them. Photosynthesis occurs inside the grana and stroma regions of the chloroplast. There are discs in the center of the chloroplast known as the thicaloids, where the electrons get transferred. The pigments that convert light into chemical energy are reaction centers. In conclusion, photosynthesis is the basis of life and it provides for so many other organisms. Without it, we wouldn't have any oxygen or food, which makes it impossible for humans to live.